Oh wow, this is so cool! I've never had a friend like you before. Come on! Through the water, two best friends go in. Through the thick and thin, we'll go arm in not arm. You can hold things and I can give a boost. It'll be great. We'll get to Undyne in no time. Just the two of us. Every monster wishes they could be as great as Undyne with her power and charm. Or maybe it's just me. Mom says I have an unhealthy obsession and project a lot. Do you think she's cool? Or should I just...
Stop right there, human!
Human? Where?
7 human souls, and with yours we can... Hey! Get back here! Quit running and face your death like a man! Woman? Child?
Hey, quit messing with my friend!
They're a human! You can't be friends!
Wait, really? I didn't know that.
Yeah, well, watch and see what happens to humans who...
It doesn't look like they're running very far.
Just get out of here, you little brat! Come on and face me like a man-woman child! If it weren't for that grass, I'd kick your... if it weren't for that Groody, I'd kick your booty! Don't ask me what a Groody is!
Gee, Undyne sure was mad, huh? Listen, she says we can't be friends, so I think I have to say something mean. You're ugly, and you stink! Ha! There, it's official. We're not friends. So, as not friends, you want to hang out some more? Before my parents get mad and call me home and stuff? Like here! You see all these? They're echo flowers. I hear if you be real quiet around them, you can hear them repeat a song for you. So, be quiet! Be quiet! Let's listen.
Deep down whispers, we can hear them all. Your inner voice, what will it tell us? The deepest abyss of your soul it can't hide. Conflict, turmoil, unfaltering kindness, apprehension, determination, all those feelings mixed up an array of thoughts. Will you fight or show true mercy? You have to make that choice. Will you save our friends, escape, then show them the world above? Will you set him free, mercilessly write your wish in the dust? Two sides are playing a tough game, an endless tug of war. Which will win? Savior or murderer?
Huh, I wonder what that means. Oh, and if you poke them, they repeat phrases instead. See? Watch.
Behind you.
I wonder what that means.
Surprise!
Oh, that's what that means. Hi, Undyne.
Nowhere to run this time. Oh, come on!
I guess you gotta go now. Bye. I'm waving at you.
I have had just about enough of this running and hiding ball Huey. I didn't realize that I was hunting for garbage.
Wow, Undyne, you just sent him flying off. And that bridge they were on, and a part of that cliff on that...
I know, kid.
Wow. Hey, you okay down there? Seeing you run run from Undyne was pretty cool.
You and I are gonna have a serious talk, kid.
Bye! Don't die while I'm away!